The moment you realize that rich people aren't smarter than you, everything changes. Listen, I've been around a bunch of different rich people. I happen to have a lot of money myself. And one thing that I have found, especially with people that make even more money than me, they're not that smart, okay? It's always been funny. I was talking with a friend of mine, and he was actually working for a big business and doing some different, systems and things for them. And he was doing some uncovering and seeing one of the person that was managing a lot of the business, that they weren't as smart as they appeared to be online. And it's funny, we had those conversations. I'm just like, yeah, that person doesn't need to be smart. They have a bunch of smart people around. And that's the big aha moment that I had years ago, but I have to share that with my friend. And so you may be looking at people online that make a lot of money, drive up the Lamborghinis, Rolls Royces, have Rolexes, do shopping sprees, all type of stuff. And you may be thinking man, they must be really smart. But you'd be surprised that they're not much smarter than you. They have just figured out the one thing that you have not. And that is not only getting attention, but being able to get in front of their ideal customers and getting them to pay them for their marketing, for their products, I should say, and services. So once you learn marketing, once you learn how to build a personal brand, right? Once you learn how to get in front of your ideal audience, you can be able to get rich as well too. There's no secret sauce to this thing. There's so many people that ask me, how do I get rich? How do I make money? How do I do this? You need to be focusing on getting in front of your ideal audience and building a personal brand and marketing your products and services. That is it. I know someone, he's a friend of mine, he makes about $70,000 a week, and his videos aren't even edited. He just pays big brands to post them on their Instagram pages, and he gets a rush of people to his Instagram, and then he sells on his service, and he makes around $70,000 a week. There's nothing smart that you need to do that. Okay? So when you realize this, it will literally change the game. Last but not least, rich people always are action takers extremely fast. Many of you take too long to take action on one thing that will completely change your life and business. So learn how to move fast on your ideas, because guess what? Money loves speed.